Hello beautiful singers, this is Valerie White Williams and Vocal Splendor Studios, and today I would like to teach you my wee bounce exercise. Now before I start, this is more of an intermediate exercise. If you do not have the breathing and the onset together, then you need to go back and watch my videos on the onset exercises and the breathing exercises, because this exercise is going to bring the male voice, the heavier voices, up high through the passaggio, and we're going to be doing some pulsing on the breath. If you do not have the breath organized, you're going to do some damage here by slamming your neck together. And so that has to be fixed before you do this exercise. I will post a couple links to help you develop that. And then once you have that smooth connection with the breath, then you can do this exercise. So this is for my guys, and I develop my men to get up into the high voice. So what we're going to do is we're going to start kind of low, and we're going to go wee. So we're going to slide up the scale, bounce a bit on the high voice, on the E vowel. Now the E vowel is a great vowel for men to feel the narrowing into passaggio. Women can do it on an ah vowel, and some of my heavy ladies, my altos, find the E vowel also helpful, so they can kind of get that narrow going. But so this exercise we're going to do again, wee, and we're going to pulse he on the breath, like I've shown in my other videos. We're going to feel the onset he, and the H is going to take the brunt in the breath. You should already know this to get to this exercise. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play it, and then I'm going to keep going, and you can practice along. So I'm going to do a couple singing along, and then you're going to do the rest. So here we go. Now I just went all the way to a B flat. That may be too high for you, or you may need to build up to it. The key of those high notes, the higher they go, they start feeling very, very narrow, very, very small, but we're using more and more energy to sustain these little pyramid notes that stack up over your head. Don't go further than is comfortable. If you feel a sense of pulling or a tickle in your throat, that's a sign that you've sung too high, you're singing too heavy, or you're not using enough breath. Now, this is where a teacher comes in, because a teacher can help you identify what is it. Is it too high? Well, it's too high if you haven't trained yourself to get there. But usually with my students, it's too heavy or it's not enough breath energy. So give this one a try. I'd love to see and hear your thoughts. It's been really helpful for many of my men, and I'm happy to share it with you, and then I can send them the video when I work with them in my studio. Thanks for the likes, shares, and subscribes. I so appreciate it. Have a great day and sing on.